tornado going on right now. There's a tornado going on and you can see in the background, you can hear the noise. That's the tornado sirens going off, telling us to go and take cover.
Yesterday.
Basically, my nephew's just here. He's gonna play some ball. I'm gonna see how good he is. I'll give him some advice. Just gonna give him some help. Or they're just two sizes too small. Corre, corre. Yeah, dude. And they're playing their corridos tumbados in the ISA right now.
Yeah, it's Ivan. Yeah, that right there is, I'm pretty sure it's Ivan Cornejo.
Get a photo of that, a video of that.
Oh, that's great.
It looks unreal. It's like painted on there. Oh.
Doing a photo!
I'm not taking a photo.
Yeah, you're doing a photo. See?
I'm taking a video.
Bro, I want real
Go ahead. Here's the phone. Break it.
Okay.
Go ahead, break it.
Again?
Alright, so he's gonna learn how to put gas.
Is it this I kill up or not?
Do you want that price off? Click skip on there.
Skip?
Here, buddy.
Skip.
There we go.
Where? I cannot skip.
That where it says skip, where the arrow's pointing to, that button. Click that button. Remove chip card. Bro. Then you just put your feet up like this. Stand here like this. Just pump some gas.
Amount, how much? 3,000?
Clean up your window, so you gotta put it like that. You gotta clean up all this trash right here because, like, say, the birds like to go wild on the windshield. So I'm at Harry Hines right now. If you can't find it on Harry Hines, it doesn't exist. Everything you can imagine, you can buy it on this street. Is it just me, or does this place just sell like random stuff? Like, they have all of these LED lights and everything. This is the LED store, and then they randomly just want to sell Rhino pills and chargers. Gonna see what all these aliens are doing out here. Gonna have some fun, go shopping for some bargain deals, just have a good time, you know, because that's really what we came for, just to have a good time. Okay, so I came in the store. I got my blueberry, my coochie, and my Louis Vuitton. We're gonna get all our stuff, all our off-brand deals here. Like I say, this is where you come to get your good deals though. I mean, dude, you can't even tell. Okay, so right now I'm actually inside this mall, but I want you to see something. This is actually pretty cool. Like this bathroom is huge. See that little chair there? I guess I'm supposed to, like, this is for taking my naps, dude. I'm gonna get settled in though. I really would. I guess they just got this so that you can hang your coat there. Just take a nap, sit down, relax. Honestly, this is how they should be making restrooms, I think. Did you pay for that?
1,000 beers.
Dude, don't break it. You haven't paid for it, dude. What, are you just testing it out? Oh my god. Are you serious, dude? Come on.
I'll go check.
Most gurus online be like, oh, that's passive income. Have a gas station and you'll have passive income. They don't really make their money off of the gas, actually. They make their money off of the snacks that they sell inside the stores. We just got this truck right here. We're gonna take it back home because this is what we're gonna sell food in. And like say, they like to stare at me like I'm a weirdo because I film myself with these videos. But dude, this is actually the experience. This is insane.
County in east central Oklahoma. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
11 minutes later.
There's a tornado going on right now. There's a tornado going on and you can see in the background, you can hear the noise. That's the tornado sirens going off telling us to go and take cover. But I'm stood on top of this van because I want to see it. I want to see it with my bare eyes. I'm gonna see what a tornado looks like. And hopefully I don't get blown off this. Oh my goodness, the wind's picking up. Look at this. This is crazy, dude. Let's see what how strong the wind is. You can hear the whistling of the tornado. Holy cow. Look at the sky. Wow. This guy's just flying. Alright, to my approximations, if we're going at 39 miles an hour, we should burn out in about 3, 2, 1. Are you wearing that to school, dude? Are you serious? Dude, you're wearing that to school, dude?
She wear it in gym.
That's actually funny, dude.